What up, YouTube? It's your girl Mo here, and today I'm doing a reaction video. Now, as y'all seen in my earlier videos, I could tell I'm very much of a dog lover. I love dogs, I love dogs, I love dogs. Period, point blank. So, when I heard about this Brooke house thing, y'all know I had to react because I'm gonna give you a little update with my baby Zena. She is going through heat right now. So right now I don't have the money to get her anything, but I get paid like Wednesday, Thursday, or whatever this week. So I'm gonna get her something to help her during her heat, and also so there won't be blood literally everywhere because it's blood everywhere in the house. But regardless, that's still my baby. I love her to death. She's right in the room, but she's asleep, you guys. Zena. Yeah, if she sleep right now, she don't want to be bothered. She's like, girl, you calling me, but I ain't coming over. I'm tired. Anyways, let's just go ahead and get into this video. I ain't gonna be ranting too much because, and y'all know. But let's see what's going on with her. Let's see if my blood gonna be boiling or not. Okay, let's just see, bro. Why would you chase him? How would you chase the damn dog in the back? Like, what is he really doing? What is he really doing, my nigga? Like, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. And you left the camera running. Like, you didn't think about it. You didn't think about it at all. You left the camera running. Like, girl, you could have made a smarter decision than that. You could have made smarter decisions. And here's my thing. She say she accidentally uploaded it. I'm like, girl, how did you accidentally upload something? When you record a video, when you try to upload it, there's a whole process you gotta go to release the video. Man, like, you can rewatch your fucking video over and over again. So how did you accidentally upload this? Anyway, let's continue. My nigga, what's up with your hands? Hold up. What's up with your hands? Why you had to do that to your hands? Come on now. Sorry, guys. I'm just new software I'm trying out or whatever my screen for is my bad. Hold up. Okay. Let's go. I like how she did this when coming out, bro. First of all, she got a hyperactive breed. Like, that's a dopamine. They're very, very high active breeds. I never had a dopamine before, but I know my dogs. I know the breeds. That is a very hyper dog. And on top of that, he's just a puppy. He's that big, but I mean, he's just only, what, 10 months? Like, that is just, nah, I can't. I can't do it. Oh gosh. Okay, yeah, that was this is my whole thing. My my nigga, then you don't have enough of being a dog. You had to like freaking pounce on the nigga. You had to pounce on them and shit, and then spit on them. Like you ain't had enough. Now you just want to keep going. Like if you got this dog, why? Okay, if you can't handle a hyperactive dog, why would you even get a hyperactive breed for a dog? Like I'm not understanding. What's the point of getting a hyperactive dog if you're not gonna actually treat it right? Like that's just stupid, in my opinion. Like why? Just why? In the first place? Like come on, man. Like it kills me when people do this shit and then they do it on camera. And then when the shit comes out, when shit's fan, they want to apologize. I'm like, bro, there's no point in it anymore. You did what you did to say, fuck it, I did what I did. But that still doesn't make it right. Now, I hear that it says she's under investigation, which honestly, I mean, that is the right thing. Just, investigate it. But if this is an ongoing thing, my nigga, and y'all saw in the video, look, let's rewind this. Let's go ahead and rewind this. Point something out to you guys here. Oops. Y'all can see, dude, the dog is really scared of her because he flinches every time she raises her hand. I'm gonna prove it too. So yeah, hold on. First of all, look what she's doing to her wrist when she leaves the back room. That's number one. That's number one. Number two, look how this dog reacts to her. Period. Like he's saying he tries to play and stuff, but he jumps. Like he flinches every time. The dog is flinching to get away from her. Just watch. Look. Look at her face, yo. Look how he flinches away, he backs away. You know what? This video is so stupid to me at this point. I saw a lot of people react to it and stuff, but I can't. I'm too much of a dog lover to even watch stuff like this. This stuff makes me fucking sick. Oof. But anyways, I'm wrapping this up. Okay, she's getting investigated, so hopefully something gets done about this. Hopefully she's not allowed to have this animal. Hopefully he gets to a better home, I guess. I don't know how that works. I don't know how to process this or whatever. But I hope everything gets correct. I hope she gets what she deserves, because that's no way to treat a dog or anybody or anything. Like, that's no way to treat a person. And I feel like dogs and animals are just like people. At the end of the day, they still breathe and bleed blood like humans. So if you're not gonna treat a person like that, why would you treat a dog like that? You know what I'm saying? Like, why would you not treat any human being as you do a fucking dog, my nigga? And you saying do all this personality shit, bro. You know what? This shit making me upset. I'm out. Peace.